I am Jeremy Spector, chef of the Brindle Room, and we are making a meatball sandwich today. Alright, ready?
Do it.
Okay. Take my toasted ciabatta sandwich bread, all purpose for the Brindle Room. Add our nice, thick, spreadable pesto. Take our meatballs, which have garlic, onions, fennel seed, eggs, lots of spices, and breadcrumbs. And then they're seared and braised in tomato sauce for about 2 hours. A few rings of fresh mozzarella. And it goes back in the oven to melt for just... The only thing I do to this sandwich is finish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay.
It's a good looking sandwich.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.